Oh my God, look at that. Whoa, epic, epic, epic DIY. Whoa, this slime doesn't stick to my hands. Now that's a real Starburst slime. Hey, oh Hannah, welcome back to my channel and another episode of Shundara Creates. But hold up, if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can join our awesome Ohana. I would love to have you a part of our Shundara Creates family. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Let's see if we can get this video to 500 likes. That would be so amazing, you guys. So in this episode of Shundara Creates, we will be making Edible Starburst Slime, because Edible Starburst Slime is so bomb diggity, hoorah, hoorah. So you guys, I really hope you enjoy this episode, and let's go. So you guys, we are going to use these juicy Starbursts. They look so good. So I'm going to use a cup of these. Side note, I literally have to take the wrapper off of all these. This is so much work. But you want to start off with a cup of Starburst, and you want to start taking the wrappers off of all your Starbursts. This is so much work, you guys. I swear to God. I tried to find the Starburst without the wrapper, but I couldn't, so this is just what we gonna do. We gonna make it work, y'all. So here I am, just taking off the wrappers, and this was a long process, so love me for this. Thumbs up this video for this. And finally, I'm done. It took forever, but I finally got it done, and we did a whole cup of Starburst. Now we're gonna melt it in the microwave for under 2 minutes. So make sure you melt them in the microwave for under 2 minutes. I would say no longer than about 1 minute and 30 seconds. 2 minutes may be a little too hot, but I will eyeball it. So once you've melted in the microwave, you want to take a tablespoon of olive oil. You can use any oil. I'm just using olive oil because I couldn't find the sunflower seed oil, but you can use any oil you like. And you want to mix that into your melted Starburst. Side note, this looks like slime already, but it's not slime yet, you guys. So you want to mix this up until it's combined, and then you want to lay down freezer paper or parchment paper. And once you lay down your freezer paper or parchment paper, you want to add a sprinkle of powdered sugar. And this is my favorite part. We're just going to mix that powdered sugar into the slime. Now this is really hot, so what you see me doing is like not really wanting to touch it, but I touch it anyway. This stuff is so hot. So you just want to mix the powdered sugar into its combined. I would say about a cup of powdered sugar would do, and just mix it in. And you can add another tablespoon of oil if you feel it getting too sticky for you. And there you have it, you guys. This easy edible powdered sugar Starburst slime. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching. Also, you guys, you can use flour as an alternative. If you do not have powdered sugar, you can use flour. Flour will even make the taste better. So thanks so much for watching, and if you want to see me eat it, stay tuned to the end. Bye, you guys. So look at, whoa, oh, so good, baby. Oh, give it to me, give it to me, give me that slime. Oh, this is so good. It's like a combination of all the Starburst mixed together, which makes it so good. Let me know, have you ever made Starburst slime, and what is your easiest way to make Starburst slime? And I just want to leave you guys with a quick tip for Starburst slime. So like, if it gets hard, what you can essentially do is keep it in the microwave for like 30 seconds, warm it up, and it just becomes soft again like slime. And my Starburst slime ain't even sticky. I made the best Starburst slime ever. Thumbs up the edible slimes if you love them. So you guys, let's play the emoji game in the comments. So for this episode of the emoji game, leave me 4 unicorns. Wait, is there an emoji unicorn yet? If there's if there's not an emoji unicorn, leave me 4 horses, 5 hospital buildings, and 3 hearts in the comment. So you guys, leave it in the comments, and whoever lets me know what is their favorite edible slime they would like me to make next, I will pin your comment. So you guys, hope you enjoyed this episode of Shundara Creates, and I'll see